using the Osmo 1.5 meter extension rod. The Osmo 1.5 extension rod can extend up to 1.5 meters, offering a versatile selfie experience. Set the shooting mode and parameters. Connect the Osmo Action 3 quick release adapter mount to the top of the Osmo 1.5 meter extension rod. Insert the Osmo locking screw into the locking hole of the quick release adapter mount and the extension rod, and then tighten the locking screw. For horizontal shooting, press and hold the locking clips on the quick release adapter mount and insert them into the quick release slots on Action 3. To switch to vertical shooting, you can mount Action 3 in the horizontal vertical protective frame, and then insert the locking clips on both sides of the quick release adapter mount into the quick release slots on the horizontal vertical protective frame. Pull out the extension rod to the appropriate length. Short press the shutter record button, and then you can start your creative journey. Thanks for watching.